Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and in this video I'll be showing you how to use our reports tool. This includes our results tool, which shows you your students' scores, and our participation tool, which shows you how much time your students have spent on their Ellii tasks. So let's get started. Once you've logged in, click Classroom from the top banner and click Classes from the drop-down menu. Once on your Classroom page, click the class you'd like to see the results for. From here, click Details at the top and click Reports on the left-hand side. Your first option is to click Export Assignments. This will produce a report that includes all of the assignments you have assigned since the class was created. This report will include your students' names, the date they completed the assignment, how many tasks they've completed, their score, and their total time. Once clicked, a CSV file will be generated and downloaded to your device. Once the file is opened, it'll look like this. The next option for results allows you to filter your results for a specific time frame. Pick a date from the calendar and click Apply. Right below, you'll see the total time your students have spent on their tasks. This is your participation report and can be exported in a file by clicking Export Participation. A CSV file will be generated again and downloaded to your device. Once opened, it'll look like this. Lastly, you can export an activity report for a specific time frame. Change the dates at the top if needed and click Apply, and then click Export Activity. This report contains the scores and time spent per task, as well as the lesson, the date, and the students' names. Click Export Activity to generate your CSV that will be downloaded to your device. And once opened, will look like this. That's it for this video on how to use our reports tools. If you have any questions, please let us know. Happy teaching!
Ellii.